Are you looking for the best gas stove dual stove household? In this video we will look at some of the best gas stove dual stove household on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. 8.5 kW gas stove dual stove household. Gas source: liquefied natural gas, pressure 2000 pascals. Liquefied petroleum gas, pressure 2800 pascals. Panel material: tempered glass, stainless steel. Product attributes: flip, non-flip, timed, without timed. Panel size: 760 440 mm. Hole size: length 650 to 710 mm, width 350 to 400 mm. Shutdown protection device: thermocouple shutdown protection. Ignition method: pulse electronic ignition. Gas stove structure: dual purpose with embedded platform. Battery: dry battery. No. 1. Number 2. Energy saving gas stove. Energy saving gas stove: short-footed stove, hand ignition. Commercial household single gas stove. Dual ring. Liquefied natural gas. Reminder: round and square legs are randomly shipped and cannot be specified. Just a simple difference in leg shape. It doesn't affect function. Don't take pictures if you mind. Number 3. Single stove household liquefied gas. Efficient heating 9-chamber burner head with 7.2 kW fierce firepower, suitable for frying, cooking, stewing, steaming and boiling. Sturdy and reliable black crystal tempered explosion-proof glass panel. Adopts multi-layer explosion-proof structure, which is resistant to high temperature and is not easy to burst. Safe design: press type child lock design can effectively prevent children from accidentally touching. The battery compartment of the burner is designed with an independent ABS waterproof compartment, which is anti-leakage and anti-liquid. Number 4. Gas cooker household single stove natural gas. Efficient heating 9-chamber burner head with 7.2 kW fierce firepower, suitable for frying, cooking, stewing, steaming and boiling. Sturdy and reliable black crystal tempered explosion-proof glass panel. Adopts multi-layer explosion-proof structure, which is resistant to high temperature and is not easy to burst. Safe design: press type child lock design can effectively prevent children from accidentally touching. The battery compartment of the burner is designed with an independent ABS waterproof compartment, which is anti-leakage and anti-liquid. Number 5. Gas stove wholesale price high power 2 burner. Based on domestic market and expand overseas businesses, our improvement strategy for stove: small gas, electric grill, outdoor BBQ, low gas consumption stove, gas stove design. We also ensure that your selection will be crafted with the highest quality and reliability. Please feel free to contact us for further information. The product will supply to all over the world, such as Europe, America, Australia, Naples, Gabon, Lisbon, Hungary. We believe with our consistently excellent service you can get the best performance and cost least products from us for a long term. We commit to provide better services and create more value to our customers. We can create a better future together.